Hello again, my young saplings. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to install a new operating system, or OS, using a bootable flash drive. I apologize in advance for the background noise, but I'll make this as quick as possible for you guys. So, first thing you do, right, is insert the removable media. So you could have used a CD to use your operating system, or you could have used a flash drive. But if you don't know how to make a bootable flash drive, you can check out one of my other videos. It's probably on my channel. So once you make your bootable flash drive, what you're going to do is insert it right into a USB port. It shouldn't be that hard to find. So once you do that, you're going to restart your computer, right? But before it loads up like the startup screen, before that, as soon as it starts up, you're going to press like F2, F10, or F12 or whatever. It's different for each computer. And you're going to try to get into the BIOS. It's going to say in that screen, the screen you're looking for is like that basic black and blase screen as soon as your computer starts up. Like for instance, a Dell. Like you see that blue Dell image on the screen, so on and so forth, right? And then you go on to F2, F10, F12, whatever. So after that, it's going to bring you. You're looking for the BIOS, okay? So I'm not going to bore you about it, but that's just the basic computer programming, basically. So we're looking to get into the boot order, and that's what the BIOS allows us to do, right? So you're going to go into the BIOS, okay? I'll put a description or a link in the description for a wonderful image tutorial that covers it up pretty well, okay? After that, after the boot order, you're going to just turn off your computer again and restart it, okay? So for visual purposes for you guys, I'm just gonna use what's called a virtual machine. Just gonna straight up boot, okay? Right? It's gonna take different time lengths for everybody. It's all dependent on your computer itself. So yours might go faster than someone else's. It's fine. So as soon as you do this, right, a installer will come up. So it's different. It's different for everybody. Like if you tried using a Windows 7 ISO or a Windows XP even, or Linux, or Kali Linux, it's going to be different for each. So with this one, for training purposes for you guys, it's Windows 8, right? So what you're going to do is click next. Obviously, pick your language, right? Hit next, okay? And then you can go to install now. Now it's going to give the setup is starting image, okay? So afterwards, you're going to continue on what the installer says. Just accept next, and then you're going to go to custom or advanced, right? So it's going to give you two. You might have more. You might have 4. I've even seen 7 partitions. Partitions are just like different places in the hard drive, right? So that's just like place A, place B, so on and so forth. So what you're going to do is you're going to delete all of them. So just click delete. It's just going to say, hey, this partition is very important to your drives, whatever. Just okay. Okay? And then you're going to delete all of them, right? And then it's going to have drive 0 unallocated space. That just means there's a lot of space and it doesn't really know what to do with it, right? Afterwards, you're just going to click that unallocated space and then hit next. So immediately after, it's going to copy everything that you have, and then you're going to get this percentage, and that's just like the files ready for installation. That's just all the Windows 8 files that currently on the bootable flash drive. Once that's finished, it's just gonna restart it, and then from thenceforth you'll be all set. Everything will be done through your computer and through this bootable flash drive. So hope you guys enjoy, right? And with your knowledge and stuff. So happy hunting.